How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. I just wanted to show you this quick project that I just got done with, and pretty happy with how it came out, to be quite honest with you. It's this site right here, and I'll show you a little bit about how it all came about here. So I always am testing out new things for my agency. Especially right now, trying to go after GHL agency owners and business owners. And I was trying to find a way to have a website that was basically able to be for both of them at the same time, right? And I was thinking of maybe like flip cards that could possibly be like, business pain point on one side and a GHL agency owner on another side or something like that. And I think it was just going to get way too complex, right? Like the idea is cool, it's clever, it's something you don't see, but I was just trying to find something that was going to be a little bit more streamlined. So what I went ahead and did is Manus or Manuse or whatever it is. I came over here and I just said, hey, I have this site. I want to include some pain points, and it was a different site that I had made with Lovable. Actually, just was it was okay. I mean, it wasn't bad. I like the ROI calculator and that kind of stuff, but this was more tailored towards just like a general business versus agency owners as well there. And so I said, hey, I want to take this and make it a little bit more universal for both of them, and I need pain points specifically that I can call them out on. And so it went through and it did its thing. Probably took, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, and came up with a whole restructure of the website with pain points and everything like that. So what I went ahead and did is I went back to um, Lovable, and I threw that in there and basically just said, hey, I need a new sleek modern design for a new landing page. This page will be designed or used for Facebook, Instagram ads. It'll target general business owners and GHL agency owners. I want a black background. That didn't even make sense, but a black background theme with purple highlighting effect. Use this information below, and I took everything that Manuse or whatever it is gave me, and I put it in there, and then I just started tweaking it, right? It kept giving me some different things. I said, hey, change this, change that, blah, blah, blah. And then it came to the point of where I like what it gave me, and this is what I went with. So it was pretty easy. Probably took me, I don't know, an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours total with everything here, but I've got a fully functional site. Now, a lot of people are probably going to say, oh, well, it's in an iframe in GHL. You're not going to get SEO ranking, yada, 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 whatever. I don't care about that. I'm not trying to get SEO ranking off of this. I'm not trying to get Google Maps searching or anything else. What I'm going to be using this for is to drop it in people. Like if they ask about my business, send them the link, Facebook ads, that kind of stuff, which none of that stuff even really matters, or it's not important to me. So pretty quick and easy. A lot of tweaking back and forth, but basically let AI do the heavy lifting for you and just let your imagination roll. And if you don't like it, the good thing about Lovable is just say, redo that step or put that back in there or whatever. Because at one point in time, it took out this section instead of a different section. And so I just said, hey, put the struggling section back in and remove this other one. And so it did it, right? So you don't have to worry about messing up too much. You can just tell it revert the change or whatever it is. So hopefully this helps and inspires you guys a little bit there. But if you have any questions about Lovable or Manuse, I don't know a ton about Manuse or whatever it's called. I don't know. I'm going to say Manuse. I don't know a ton about it. I'm starting to dive into it a little bit more. But if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out and let me know.